West Virginia has always had a rich legacy in America's steel industry. Its heritage in Appalachia is as relevant as the veins of coal that run through it. A testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the people who live here. A chapter in the story of American industry. The heart of those furnaces are burning again in West Virginia. America's story isn't over, and a new chapter of West Virginia steel manufacturing is being written. Woodford Industrial Lubricants and Services is proud to be a part of the legacy of West Virginia steel manufacturing.